What's going on, everyone? I hope you're having a good day. And today I'm going to be going over my daily buys for the post-market analysis on 4/18/24. And this is the candle we're talking about, where my cursor's at, not this one. This candle has just started forming today at 5 p.m. because that's when the new day starts. But this is the candle that was for April 18th, 2024, as you can see on the bottom of the candle. So first of all, we were in a daily downtrend, so we were very bearish. And also, recently, we've just been bearish on the weekly too. As you can see, the weekly chart is also looking like it's going to break structures to the downside right here, unless we have some crazy pullback all the way up to this level on Friday, which is probably not going to happen in my opinion. So now, going back to the daily, after looking at this downtrend, I was waiting for the power of 3 to happen on this candle. And that's exactly what happened. I'm going to move this red candle, the market open for a second, and show you this candle that I'm talking about. So, what is power of 3 on a candle? Let me show you real quick. Alright, so this little structure I drew, it'll all make sense in literally like 30 seconds. So watch. Let's pretend that this line that I drew is where this is where the candle opens, okay? This is when the candle opens. And then we have this little move up, and then we go all the way down, and then we have a little tiny move back up to close out the candle, okay? This is the closure of the candle, this is the open of the candle. So this is power of 3. I'm going to explain it to you right now. Power of 3 is basically accumulation, then manipulation, and then distribution. What does that mean? So, at first, on every single candle, not every single candle, but the majority of candles that form, we're always going to have the open of the candle, and then we're going to go into a fake direction. So, if we're bearish, like we are in this case, we're going to open the candle, we're going to move up as manipulation, and then we're going to start going a little bit like consolidation phase for our accumulation, because that's when the market is making and piling up its orders, accumulating its orders. And then we're going to distribute all the way down. That's distribution, where the market actually wants to go. So keep in mind 3 things, power of 3. Accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. So I had seen that this daily was in a downtrend, and the weekly is probably also going to end up closing on a downtrend, which is going to start our bear run. So since we're bearish, I'm expecting some sort of move up, which is a manipulation and accumulation, right? Because it's going to accumulate orders while people are entering longs. And then the distribution move happens right here. So now let me go down to the smaller time frame, and I'll put this line back at 9:30. All right, so now that the line is back at 9:30, let's see what happened. From this swing high right here to this swing low, I'm gonna mark out. We had almost reached the 50% area, but we had a retracement. But on ES, we did reach the 50% area. As you can see, this is when market opened at 9:30. If we draw out our swing high to this swing low right here, which was the same low that I marked out before, we can see that market tapped into the 50% area right here on this candle, bearish candle. Then on the 1 hour, as you can see, we rejected off it perfectly. We went up a little bit. We got close to the 50% area, which is close enough for me. And we broke structure to the downside on the hourly right here, as you can see. As you can see, we had been tapped into the fair value gap. We rejected off this fair value gap multiple times. We got in here on this blue candle, boom, rejected off of it. Next candle, we got into it, and then we rejected off of it. We didn't close above it. Then the third candle also, we rejected fully off of it, and that made me very confident that we were going to go down. So yeah, that's how I determined my daily buys basically today, and I was very, very accurate with everything I was saying on the smaller time frames and the bigger time frames. This was my prediction for the morning. I had marked out. I was expecting price to sweep that high and then go down. And as you can see, after our initial Judas swing down, we went and swept those highs. And after that, I had this prediction, and that's exactly what happened. We dumped straight down. So yeah, that's how you know I can do this shit. And I hope this video helped you out. Especially power of 3 is very, very important. So if you need to use that in your toolbook, now you have it. And if you want me to make a more in-depth video about what power of 3 is and how it actually works, let me know down in the comments below. I'll make sure to post it in the trading tools and get a full in-depth video going on. But thank you for watching, and peace out.